Hello, this is my poster titled Evaluation of Selected Herbicide Programs for Broadleaf Weed Management in Peanut. Introduction, the Palmer amaranth and a number of other broadleaf weeds in South Carolina peanuts continue to be troublesome owing to their abilities to grow rapidly, high reproductive capability, drought tolerance, and the other thing is extended emergence through the growing season. Owing to the fact that a lot of herbicides in peanuts have a short or have a cutoff period that is does not go very far into the season, basically. So if they're not controlled early with proper residuals into the season, we can have late escapes. In addition, we have ALS resistance in Palmer amaranth, and so Cadre, for example, does not work on those, but it does work on other weeds common in peanuts. And so this study was looking at just kind of an efficacy of pre and post programs in peanuts, and efficacy on broadleaf weeds, and also we wanted to look at crop response to those herbicides. So field experiments were conducted at Edisto Research Center near Blackville, South Carolina. Sullivan peanut variety was planted on June 2nd, 2020. Pre-emergent herbicides were sprayed at the day of planting. The first post-emergent was applied approximately 14 days after planting, and the mid-post was about 15 days after that. So about 30 days-ish was the second post 2. Visual weed control and crop response were collected 14, 20, and 42 days after pre or at plant application. And this weed control and crop response data were analyzed using ANOVA and means separated at the 5% level. Peanuts were dug and harvested on November 20th of 2020. Herbicide, we had 14 treatments with a check. We had different combinations of APRES, such as Prowl H2O plus Valor, Strong Arm plus Valor. We had Break plus Valor as we're looking at break safety in peanuts. We also had a combination of Prowl, Strong Arm, and Valor. Spartan Charge was another one added to that as a pre. And then we had the check. So breaking it down on treatment-wise, we had either post 1 and 2 treatments where we're looking at Gramoxone dual Magnum Storm, with Cadre at post 2, or no Cadre for those who are going to plant cotton next year. But I think the key throughout all these treatments, as you can see on the poster, is we're including some sort of residual at every trip across the field, whether it be warrant, dual, residua, or strong arm to a degree. So moving into the results for Palmer amaranth control, we had excellent results. Out to 42 days after planting, we had no differences, excellent control across the treatments. All the pre-emergence that we used in this treatment were very good at the 14-day mark. For pitted morning glory, the only one that was slightly lower was at treatment 1. Was slightly lower at 96%, which was still very, very, very good control. At 42 days, again, this is 100% similar to the Palmer amaranth. In the peanut yield here, looking at yields across here, treatments 2 and 11 were significantly lower compared to other treatments. However, the remaining treatments were not were not significantly different among treatments. Obviously, significantly different than the check. 2 and 11, you know, it's not. These were not. I believe were not attributed to herbicide issue. You know, peanut yields can be highly variable. I'm sure if we did a 10% LSD, it would be no differences there. So, in conclusion, no significant peanut injury was noted with any of these treatments. That the pre-emergent herbicides that we evaluated were very good on Palmer and pitted. Again, this residual tank mix partner, either at post 1 or post 2, of course, helped extend that control. Again, this overlapping residuals are key to effective weed management in peanut production. That's all I have on my poster information for this meeting. I appreciate your time, and my contact information will be available for questions if you have them. Thank you.